So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add the lift effect to text here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva is opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to add some text to it. So once that is done right here and you have your text, if you want to add the lift effect, it's super simple. Press on the text you want to add it to, go to the top right and press on effects, then scroll down to where it says lift right here. Where actually does it say lift? I can't quite see. Oh yeah, right here, top right. It says lift. Press on that. Now once that is done, if you want to change the intensity, because you can't really see it right now, simply just slide this bar to the right or slide this bar to the left. So it's a little bit hard to notice. I'll actually just type in the word add right here. I'll make the word add super large, I guess you can say. Yeah, just like that. So it's a little bit hard to tell, but this is what it looks like. So when the intensity is 0, as you can tell, sort of around the letters, there's not really too much. If you want to slide this bar to the right, there's actually a ton of intensity right here. So this is how you guys can add the lift effect here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.